How long would it take you to create 100 designs? A week? Maybe if you're pushing yourself. A month? Maybe if you're stretching the truth a little bit. What if I told you I can create 100 designs in one day? Yeah, one day. And because I know how little time we all have, but also how important it is to be able to create so many designs, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create 100 designs in literally one day. Hi people, welcome back. It's Tiana. If you're an OG, welcome in. And if you're new, it's not too late to become an OG, so come on in, join the fam. And here we are on the computer. You guys know when we're on the computer, we're about to get into it, so get ready to learn. First, we're going to start on Kittl. So we're on Kittl, we're under templates. I just wanted to go ahead and show you. If you guys go to templates and go under creative flows, under creative flows, you'll see this new tab says Kittl flows. So under Kittl flows, you'll see some templates already made by Kittl or some other users that have tried it out. And you can kind of use this to get some inspiration or even just to see what you're able to do with Kittl flows. Now, I've actually gone ahead and opened one of these up over here, and I'm just going to show you a little bit about what you can do with Kittl flows. I'm just going to kind of give you a lay of the land. So over here, they have where it says input. All these input boards is just their original starting artboard. So they have their artboard here, and they've uploaded whatever design it is to this artboard here. And if you can see these lines connecting, that is connecting to a smartboard. So they took their design and then using the smartboard feature and putting in an AI prompt over here, they were able to come up with this design, and then taking this design, another AI prompt, probably to refine things, put in this prompt to get to this image. Let's just dive deep into one of these. So they had this input here. So on the artboard, they had this image, which is very simple, just simple like line art drawing style almost. And from this, using a prompt that they input into here, they put exactly what they want to happen to it. They put what they want to happen to the image, and they're able to get this. Like, this is amazing. It's almost like a poster, like it looks beautiful. And then from this, they're able to turn into this, just switching up the prompt a little bit. So you can see they did the same thing going down. They have their main image right here, and using just AI prompt, they're able to change it into this and then kind of refine the details with this third column over here. Or even this one down here, they started with this literally line art of squares, and they came up with this. And then after, they just said that they wanted to be in a circular shape, and they got the exact same thing in a circular shape. So if you guys can start to put together some things and some ways that you would use this program, like there's so many different options for it. And again, we're going to dive in. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same. Over here, I just have a t-shirt sized artboard. And what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to actually upload an image of a design that I've created in the past. So I've just downloaded this design. I had it on my desktop. So I'm just going to bring that here. And because there are some white elements in the design, as this was not intended to go on a white shirt, I'm going to quickly change the background color just a bit, just so that we can see all the elements. And I found that it does help. I do want the white elements to show. It does help when we go into flows. So I have this, I just blew it up here. I have this design, and this is a design for the teacher niche. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys have seen that the stamps have been doing really well. And what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to take this design and we're going to bring it into different niches. So when I first created this design, I had to get all of the different elements and graphics and put them together. What we can do with Kittl Flows, using this image, I can take it and we're going to create a bunch more designs that are the same exact stamp style. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit shirts to select our artboard, and we're going to click smartboard up here, or you can click the arrow right here. So we're just going to zoom out a bit, and it's going to, as you can see, open up a smartboard for us. So this is going to be our first smartboard, and as you can see, there's a line here. It is connected to this artboard. So over here, we can see it says describe your variation with the prompt, and that's literally what we're going to do. So I'm going to type in a prompt right here. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and type this. Make this Halloween themed. So make this Halloween theme. I'm going to generate it and we're going to see what it comes up with. Okay guys, so I went and I typed in the prompt, make this Halloween theme by changing the elements to match. And here is what it spit out for us. Guys, this is literally amazing. Instead of having to find all these little graphics, it just took what I had and reworked it to match the Halloween theme. Now, all I'm going to do is take this exact prompt and we're going to try it for a couple more niches. So I'm going to kind of fill this board out and try it for a bunch of niches. So I'm just going to duplicate this board here and do some generating, and I'll be back with what we've come up with. Okay, guys, the generating is done, and I'm so excited for you to see what we've come up with. So we've already had our Halloween one with the just make this Halloween theme by changing the elements to match. I'm going to show you what else I came up with. So here we have a Christmas theme one. We do have two Santas, but that's not something that we can't just regenerate. But look, it still has the same stamp look to it. The colors match the theme a little bit better of Christmas, so this is just amazing. We also have this one, which I just put beach slash summer. This one for Valentine's Day, like this is so cute, and I love how the colors match too, because that's like really important. Here we have the graduation one. Now this one I did have to regenerate, I think one time, but still it looks really good. Like, and I hit regenerate, I didn't change the text or anything, and this still looks really good. So here, this one I just put girly. I don't know, I want to just try something, so this one I just put girly. Okay, for this one I just put history class, so we've got the astronaut, the UFO. Okay, then we have this one, which I literally just put mom. So some of the text is kind of messed up here, but this is gonna be something that we can regenerate. Next, I put art class. Art class, guys, and look at this. This is so cute. I'm obsessed. Maybe this could be for like an art teacher. That's really nice. And for this last one, I just put sweets slash dessert. So this is what it came up with. So here we already have 10 different designs, so quickly and easily created just based off of one design that I took the time to put together. So we got some of them that are holiday themed, some of them that are just based off of interest or profession. So this is the power of this tool. Now, what I'm going to show you next is even cooler. Like, this is mind blowing. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight everything, and I'm actually going to duplicate it all. So I have this duplicated right here. Okay, so what happens when you create a smartboard? It actually keeps the prompt with that smartboard. So what I'm going to do is since I duplicated everything, I'm going to delete the image that I first have here on the main artboard, and I'm going to replace it with another image. Okay, so here I've gone ahead and I've replaced it with another design I have. Now what I'm going to do is, remember, all these smartboards still have their prompts connected to it, but now that we have a new image, I'm going to highlight all of these boards and we're going to regenerate. So it's going to now regenerate using the design from this image versus this one. Okay, so I've got them all selected and we're going to hit generate again. Okay guys, so remember where we started. Right here. Let's see what we've done. So I've redone a couple of these. Mind you, I didn't need to change anything. I just hit regenerate. So let's go through some of these. So we have the Halloween one. It's got some skulls. It's got the pumpkin look. It's got the bats. Again, you can regenerate, but this is just with what I had for the prompt that was already set up. We've got a Christmas one here. This one's pretty cute. We've got, I put one for Valentine's Day. This one can probably regenerate it, but again, so simple. We've got here a graduation one, which is nice. I actually really like this one. We got here a little astronaut one. This one, guys, is probably my favorite. This is so cute. I love the little stars and all the text. This is amazing. This one again was completely random with like the sweets and desserts, but guys, the glaze on the letters with the sprinkles, like I feel like this could be regenerated or just maybe even some tweaks in the prompt to make it look so much better. Look at these, guys. Look at these. Okay, and now we're gonna go on to another trend that I know you guys have been seeing all over Etsy, and we're gonna be recreating it for a bunch of different niches. We are going to use this goose and we are going to make it into a bunch of the silly goose kind of geese trend that's been going around Etsy. So I'm going to take this goose and I'm going to show you what we can do with it. Okay, quick moment for the goose that we started with. So cute, just a little goose holding an apple. But guys, you guys are you guys are going to melt at how cute all the different variations it came up with. So let's get into it. The first one, look at these geese, guys. Look at these little teacher geese. This is what it came up with. This is so cute. Let's go down. We have this one, which this one I just put girly. And one thing I did have to do for these, because the initial geese was holding apples, I did have to put no apples at the end of them. I also put that they're in a row, just so that they're not in a little like square grid format. So I put in a row and I put no apples, but otherwise just make 4 geese in a row that are whatever the theme is, themed, no apples. So this is what it came up with. This is so cute. Okay, and let's go on to the next. This one, I put bookworm slash reading. These are cute. Okay, the next one is the gardening one. This is so cute with the pitchfork. Okay, the next one is the Halloween one. So cute. We got the summer theme one. Guys, look at this. Oh, they look like they're best friends. Like, this is cool. This is cool. Okay, next we got the Valentine's Day one. This is super cute. We got the Easter one. Oh my goodness, guys, this is just so cute. Like, I'm obsessed with this. Okay, we got the winter one. And guys, mind you, I'm literally doing this like as I'm recording it, so I'm like blown away by this. But this looks so good. They got their little scarves, the little boots. I just put winter. Here we got the graduation one, which these ones all look the same. Maybe I could give the prompt a little bit more for it to switch up a little bit, but I just put graduation. So here they are, all the same, lined up, literally ducks, I guess geese, lined up in a row. And we have the coffee one here. This is cute. And we got the sporty one, and we got the birthday one, and we got the, I just put witchy, so we got the witchy one. This is cute with the broom, with the cloak. And the last one I did was the business skis. But guys, this is the power of Kittl flows. Like, this is amazing. Okay, no, the last thing I want to do, like, I'm already obsessed. Like, I just want to be getting into it and doing more. But the last thing I do want to show you is another way you guys can do it. And this is going to be using the 3x3 layout that I know you guys have seen. So I'm going to upload one that I've done in the past, and we're going to see what we can come up with. Okay, and for the last time in this video, guys, this is where we started. We have the 3x3 grid. I just put some ghosts and some bows. Let me show you what we got. Okay, so we got two different versions of like a little Halloween going on here. Turn the bows to orange. This one has cobwebs. We've got some different ghosts, some pumpkins, very, very cute. Over here, this has to be one of my faves because look at this, guys. These ghosts are so cute. It's the same style ghost, just with, we got a little rolling pin, a cookie, we got all the little baking goodies. Like, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. We got the little Christmas ones. Guys, I love how they kept the ghost. Like, they didn't need to keep the ghost. So if you want to switch the ghost out, this would be something I have to put in the prompt, but we'll keep it for now. But this is so cute. And not all of them came out with ghosts. So sometimes you do have to be a little more specific, but we got the ghost here. Here we got the ghost doing a little bit of an ABCs. So this one I put teacher. This one is just, see, it's just a 3x3. I didn't take out anything. I just put coffee, iced coffee, and coffee beans. And we got this little 3x3 grid for coffee. We got this one, which I just put witchy, which the ghost kind of worked for this one for the Halloween. Probably 3 generate just to get it completely in frame, but this looks good. Next we have this one, which is, I put sporty. This is so cute. This is so cute. And again, the ghosts are still here, so maybe these can all just work for like Halloween. That was my intention, but if you did want the ghost out, again, just be a little more specific. But this is so cute. And again, guys, all the other like elements, they like match the same style as this. Like, the style of the ghost is this, it matches like the balls and stuff like that that came out, so it's really nice. Here we have, I put bachelorette. I want to see what it comes up with. Bachelorette is a huge niche, so this is what it came up with. That's so cute. I put camping, and we got this. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. And here I put travel, and this is what it came up with. A really nice one. Like, these pictures look so good. The text came out literally perfect. I only have to do this one time. Like, that's crazy. And down here, I just put fall. So we got some leaves and we got some ghosts. So again, guys, you can see the power of this tool. And if I wanted to go in and say I didn't want ghosts, maybe I could just switch this out with like an animal or something and have it completely regenerate all of these just with a new image at the beginning. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take some of these designs, I'm going to put them onto mockups, and I'm going to show you what they look like. Okay, guys, we are done designing. So I'm going to pop up on the screen what some of these designs look like on mockups. If you guys want to try Kittl and especially Kittl flows, you can get 25% off using this code TiannaYT or by clicking the link in the description. I literally can't wait for you to guys see how much faster your design process gets. It's literally the only way I'm able to pull off getting 100 designs created in one day. Otherwise, thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, people.